The chuck adjusts open and close to securely hold the drill bit, allowing you to use a variety of different sizes. There are 3 jaws in the chuck that clamp against the drill bit. After years of use, these jaws will wear and your drill bit might begin to slip. Sometimes a jaw inside the chuck can be broken off. Replacing the chuck is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The chuck is held to the drill by a retaining screw. I'll begin by removing it. The screw is a reverse thread, so I'll turn the screwdriver clockwise to remove it. Now I'll remove the chuck from the spindle. To do that, I'll chuck a large Allen wrench into the drill chuck. I'll change the transmission from the high setting to the low. I'll place the drill on my workbench with the Allen wrench extending out past the edge. And I'll quickly strike the Allen wrench with a hammer, and that'll break the chuck free. Now I can install the new chuck. I'll thread it onto the spindle, chuck the Allen wrench back into it, this time I'll just tighten the Allen wrench by hand, remove it, and reinstall the retaining screw. And remember, it is a reverse thread. And that's how easy it is to install a new keyless chuck to your drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.